टॉपिक एसिड रेन के बारे में हम बात करेंगे। एसिड रेन में सबसे पहले की डेफिनेशन ऑफ एसिड रेन या व्हाट इज़ एसिड रेन एंड व्हाट कॉजेज एसिड रेन, फॉर्म ऑफ एसिड डिपोजिशन जिसमें कि ड्राई डिपोजिशन और मेजरिंग ऑफ एसिड रेन एट्सेट्रा आदि हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं व्हाट इज़ एसिड रेन। Acid rain or acid deposition is a broad term that includes any form of participation with acidic components such as sulfuric or nitric acid that fall to the ground from the atmosphere in wet or dry forms. This can include rain, snow, fog, hail, or even dust that is acidic. ये है एसिडिक रेन जिसको कि इन टर्म्स में समझाया गया है। इसके बाद जैसे कि हम डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं व्हाट कॉजेज एसिड रेन, इसमें एसिड रेन पाथवे बताया गया है कि किस प्रकार से एसिड रेन का पाथवे होता है। दिस इमेज इलस्ट्रेट्स द पाथवे फॉर एसिड रेन इन आवर एनवायरनमेंट। फर्स्ट वन इज इमिशन ऑफ SO2 एंड NO2 are released into the air, where second the pollutants are transformed into acid particles that may be transformed long distance. Third one, these acidic particles then dry deposition. Environmental emission of SO2 and NOx are released into the air, where the pollutants are transformed into acidic particles that may be transferred by the distances. These acid particles then fall to the earth as wet and dry deposition, just like हम कह सकते हैं just like dust, rain, snow, etc. And fourth one is may causes harmful effects on soil, forest, streams and lakes. Acid rain results when sulfur dioxide SO2 and nitrogen oxide NOx are emitted into the atmosphere and transported by wind and air current. The SO2 and NOx react with water, oxygen and other chemicals to form sulfuric acid, nitric acids. These then mix with water and other materials before falling to the ground. अर्थात ग्राउंड पे गिरने से पहले ये मिक्स वाटर के साथ होकर अदर मटेरियल्स के साथ बिफोर फॉलिंग मतलब गिरने से पहले इसके साथ मिक्स होते हैं. While a small portion of the SO2 and NOx that causes acid rain is from natural sources such as volcanoes, most of it comes from the burning of fossil fuels. The major sources of SO2 and NOx in the atmospheres are, जो कि major sources हैं इनके SO2 और इनके वो atmospheres में वो हैं. First one is burning of fossil fuels of generate electricity. 2/3 of SO2 and 1/4 of NOx in the atmosphere come from electric power generators. कहाँ से आती है वो? इलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेटर्स हैं उनके द्वारा 2/3 ऑफ SO2 एंड 1/4 ऑफ NOx इन द एटमॉस्फेयर यहाँ से जनरेट होती है या वहाँ से आती है इलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेटर्स के द्वारा. इसके अलावा व्हीकल्स एंड हैवी इक्विपमेंट्स एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑयल रिफाइनरीज एंड अदर इंडस्ट्रीज. Wind can be blow SO2 and NOx over long distance and across borders, making acid rain a problem for everyone and not just those who lives close to these sources. मतलब कि ये इन्हीं के लिए परेशानी की बात नहीं है जो कि इनके सोर्सेस के पास में रहते हैं, बल्कि ये सबके लिए इनकी प्रॉब्लम होती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज फॉर्म ऑफ एसिड डिपोजिशन, जो कि वेट डिपोजिशन और ड्राई डिपोजिशन दो तरह का होता है. फॉर्म ऑफ एसिड डिपोजिशन. फर्स्ट वन इज वेट डिपोजिशन. Wet deposition is what we most commonly think of as an acid rain. The sulfuric and nitric acid formed in the atmosphere fall to the ground mixed with rain, snow, fog or hail is wet deposition. And other one is dry deposition is acidic particles and gases can also deposit from the atmosphere in the absence of moisture as dry deposition. The acidic particle and gases may deposit to surface like water bodies, vegetation, buildings quickly or may react during atmospheric transport to form larger particles that can be harmful to human health when the accumulated acid are washed off a surface by the next rain. These acidic water flows over and through the ground and can harm plant and wildlife such as insects and fishes. The amount of acidity in the atmosphere that deposits to earth through dry deposition depends on the amount of rainfall and area receivers. For example, in desert areas, the ratio of dry to wet deposition is higher than an area that receives several inches of rain each year. Acidity and alkalinity, the measured using a pH scale, just like जो हम इस फिगर में देख रहे हैं. Acidity and alkalinity are measured using a pH scale for the which 7.0 is neutral. The lower a substance's pH less than 7, the more acidic it is. The higher a substance's pH greater than 7, the more alkaline it is. Normal rain has a pH of about 5.6. It is slightly acidic because slightly acidic क्यों है ये? Because carbon dioxide dissolves into it forming weak carbonic acid. Acid rain usually has a pH between 4.2 and 4.4. Polymakers, research scientists, ecologists and modelists rely on National Atmospheric Depositions Program (NADP), National Trend Networks (NTN) for measurement of wet deposition. The NADP or NTN collects acid rain at more than 250 sites throughout the US, Canada, Alaska, Hawaii and the US Virgin Islands. Unlike wet deposition, dry deposition is difficult and expensive to measure. Dry deposition is difficult and expensive to measure in comparison to wet deposition. Dry deposition estimates for nitrogen and sulfur pollutants are provided by the Clean Air Status and the Train Network. Air concentration are measured by SETNET at Polymakers, research scientists, ecologists and moderates relate on the National Atmospheric Deposition Program, National Trend Network (NTN) for measurement of wet deposition. The NADP or NTN collects acid rain at more than 250 monitoring sites throughout the US. Dry deposition estimate for nitrogen and sulfur pollutants are provided by the Clean Air Status and Trends Network. Air concentration are measured by CastNet at more than 90 locations. When acid deposition is washed into lakes and streams, it can cause some of turn acidic. The long-term monitoring network LTM network measures and monitors surface water chemistry at over 280 sites to provide valuable information on the aquatic ecosystem health and how water bodies respond to the changes in acid causing emission and acidic deposition.